Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make a quick raita recipe. This is lotus seeds or fox nuts or makhana raita recipe. So let's begin with the process. Here I am heating up a frying pan. Once the pan is heated up, I will put the flame to the lowest and will start roasting the required quantity of makhanas. When they are raw, it's very hard to crack them. We need to roast them for about 10 minutes in low flame. After about 10 minutes, you can take one makhana and try to see if it cracks really well. If it cracks easily, that means our makhanas are roasted. If not, you can wait for a few more minutes. It's been about 10 minutes and the makhanas are nicely roasted. I will keep this aside. Here I am preparing a tempering for our raita. Adding about 2 spoons of mustard oil, 8 to 10 ground nuts, and will allow them to fry. Adding pinch of kalonji, pinch of jeera, and 2 red chilies. And here our tempering is all ready. If you feel your masalas are roasting, you can just keep it aside from the flame. My tempering is all done and ready. I will switch off the flame and keep this aside. Here I am taking a bowl and into this adding the required quantity of curd. Now I will transfer the roasted makhanas into the curd, adding salt as per taste, and give this a good mix. Adding fresh coriander leaves, and will add the tempering from top. And that's all you need to do. It's a very easy raita recipe. We are all done with it. If you serve this immediately, the makhanas will be all crunchy and it will taste better. Mix this well and it's ready to be served. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.